July 2nd, 2026. Let's get into it. Quick shout out to today's sponsor, GridTerm. Run multiple terminal sessions side by side. Perfect if you're vibing with Claude Code or Codex all day. Gridterm.com, link in the description. Microsoft just built a 6,000 engineer AI strike team. They announced Microsoft Frontier Company today, a whole new business unit, $2.5 billion committed, aimed at ramming AI into every Fortune 500 boardroom on the planet. And get this, 2 days ago, AWS committed $1 billion to the exact same play. OpenAI and Anthropic already have versions of this. Microsoft's commercial CEO literally wrote that this goes beyond forward deployed engineering, which is corporate for ours is bigger than theirs. Speaking of big moves, OpenAI wants to hand the US government 5% of the company. The Financial Times reports Sam Altman proposed donating 5% of OpenAI's equity to a US sovereign wealth fund, and other AI companies would chip in similar stakes. The stated reason? To secure good relations with the administration. That's a direct quote. Meanwhile, Bernie Sanders wants a one-time 50% tax on AI company stock instead. So pick your poison, I guess. Meanwhile, Anthropic is building its own chip. The information reports Anthropic is in talks with Samsung on a custom AI chip. No details yet on what it does or how powerful it is, just that it's happening. This comes 1 week after OpenAI dropped their Broadcom-built inference chip called Jalapeno. Every single lab is racing to escape NVIDIA at once. Jensen just felt a disturbance in the force. Meta just launched an app that lets you vibe code your own games. It's called Pocket. You type a prompt and it generates little interactive experiences called gizmos that other people can play in a scrollable feed. It came out of Meta's Gizmo acquisition earlier this year. And here's the funny part, Meta hasn't even officially announced it. A reverse engineer just spotted it in the Play Store. That's confidence. And then there's this. A sandwich shop just mentioned AI 22 times in its IPO filing. Jersey Mike's, the chain with Danny DeVito as its face, dropped artificial intelligence 22 times in their S1. They sell subs. Their only AI risk disclosure is, quote, "We are beginning to use AI technologies in our business." That's the whole warning. For context, the word lightning appears 0 times, and a Jersey Mike's actually got hit by lightning in Texas in 2021. Priorities. And finally, you can now pre-order an $8,000 robot to fold your laundry. It's called ESIC One, made by Weave Robotics, and it promises to collect dirty clothes, fold laundry, make beds, and tidy up your clutter. $250 deposit, ships later this year. Oh, and buried in the announcement, it's teleoperated when needed to guarantee we complete tasks, which means some guy in a warehouse might be folding your underwear. Cool. Real quick before we go, huge thanks again to GridTerm for sponsoring today. Gridterm.com, link in the description. That's your AI news for July 2nd. See you tomorrow.